This is an email client project. The project's home page displays the login page. If the user does not have an account, he will need to click on the Register Here link to go to the registration page, where they will enter their email and a password. This will allow them to log into the application. After logging in, the following buttons will be displayed: Inbox, Compose, Sent, Archived, and Logout. Here the user has access to their three inboxes: Inbox, Sent, and Archived. In the initial page we have access to Inbox Mailbox, where we can read all received email. Note that messages in bold are unread messages, and, like a mensage, click on Message to view. By clicking on the mail, we can read it. When reading the message, we have the options on the buttons: Unread, to turn message like unread; Archive, to archive the message; and Reply, to reply received message. By clicking on the Unread button, we will be redirected to the inbox and the email will appear as unread. When you click on the Archive button, the email will be archived and the page will be redirected to the inbox. Clicking on the Reply button, the page to compose an email opens with all parts of the message filled in with the information from the replied message, including the body of the message. And when you click the Compose button, a page opens with a form to create a new email. Note that if there's any incorrect information, a pop-up message will be displayed when the Send button is clicked. When you click the Send button, the list of sent emails will be displayed. By clicking on the Archived button, the list of archived emails will be displayed. There's an unarchive button for each message. And by clicking on this button, the message will return to the inbox. And finally, by clicking on the Logout button, the application home page will be displayed.